And what I'm going to do is I need to sharpen this blade, and this is a sharpener I've showed before, and they have it in the 28-inch. So this is what it looks like, and you can order these on my website. I can have a link below. Just go to the quiltedturtle.com. But they're fabulous. I absolutely love them. So this is what it looks like. I've got two pieces. Now this piece screws apart, and I put a blade in here. This piece screws apart, and I'm gonna open this up. That piece off. Now I like to do this with these Olfas because they're not one of the new easy release ones. I like to line those up and keep that one stacked on the other, so that I know how to put it back when I put this blade back on, because that's a big problem. I like to wipe this off. Okay, I've wiped it off, and now I'm going to put this, whoops, this piece has the screw sticking up, and now we're going to screw this together, just making sure pretty much in the center. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think you can go wrong with this one. The blade is in the center. Now I am going to start the process of sharpening. This ring will have a course, and you're going to start on this side. The gray side is a finer surface, so you'll end on that side. It's very important with these that you do them according to the instructions. What they say to do is put some water on this surface. And so I've got some water here. I'm just going to get my hand a little wet. Another reason my little cardboard here. And I'm going to just put some water on there. All right. Now I'm going to start with I'm going to choose this side first. I'm going to call this side A, and I'm going to turn it, and I'm only going to turn it forward 30 times. Okay, now I'm going to go to side B. Flip this around. Second side, B, still wet. 1, 2, 3, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you'll see it's starting to get a little bit dirty. That's okay. That is some of the oils and some of the shavings from your blade, I'm assuming. Now I'm going to go to side B, the gray side, which is finer. Get some more of my water. Get it good and wet. Okay, so I'm going to start with one side. I'm going to call it A. Again, 30. 1, 2, 3, 29, 30. That was side. I'm going to flip it to side B. Still wet. 28, 29, 30. Now all I got to do is take this out and put it back into my rotary cutter. This will be just as sharp as when I bought it. I know it's hard to believe, but it really works that well. They had these for quite a while, but I think the first time that I tried them, I didn't use them right. This tech showed me that do it like it says on the package, and it works really well. So much so that I stopped buying blades very often. But I had those stacked, so I know exactly which way that's supposed to go. Okay, and I'm just going to test this over here. Can you see? I'm just going to test this really quick. So I got two thicknesses of little flannel here. Very nice. So we were skipping before, and now it's not. You're not going to be buying as many blades, and you know how much those cost, and tend to go through those like candy. Not anymore. So again, what I like to do with those, because this is how I do everything now, is when I want to sharpen some things, I'll get a little box, and I'll take this down, and that's something I can do while I'm watching television.